So I got your question here. You want to find the exact value of the expression. Don't use a calculator. So they want you to find this exact value. And so on page 28 in your book, and maybe you watched it on a video, they show you this triangle here. It's a right triangle. I didn't show that angle was 90 degrees, but you got 30, 60, 90 degree angle. And I put that right angle in here. And so, they show you the length of this side's 1, 2, and square root 3, and you can even prove this. You may realize that, this is the smallest angle here, 30 degrees, and the side opposite, is the shortest side, which is 1. This is the largest angle, 90, the side opposite, it is 2. This angle's between 30 and 90, and so it's the medium angle, and the side opposite, square root 3 is about 1.7. It's between the lengths of these sides. You may notice that relationship. So you were kind of asking, how do I lay out, you want the sine of 60 and the cosine of 30. So how do you lay this out? Well, you're going to have to rotate this around, where this is 60 degrees, and, opposite 60 is always the square root of 3. Opposite 30 is always the 1. This would be the 30, and opposite the right angle is always the 2. So the sine of an angle is the y over z. I believe it's the definition they give you here. Or y over r, sorry. So it would be square root 3 over 2. Now this one, we don't even have to rearrange it any. We just bring it down and put it on the coordinate axis. 30. Again, 30 is opposite to 1, 60 is always opposite square root 3, and 90 is always opposite 2. We want the cosine 30, which would be x over r, square root 3 over 2. At some point, you just may want to memorize these answers here. They have a real nice table on page 29. It'd be really great if you memorize that table on page 29. I used to give a quiz when I had an in-person class and require them to memorize that table, and there's patterns into it. If you Google the web, they have some shortcuts for memorizing that table. I hope this helps. You want to add these two results together. That's the final answer.